Hi friends, welcome to our educational quiz mania channel. Students, in this video today we are going to learn question answer based on standard 6 subject general science chapter number 9 motion and types of motion. So let's get started. Question number 1, identify the types of motion. A, movement of the earth around the sun. Answer is circular and periodic motion. B, movement of a ceiling fan. Answer is circular or oscillatory motion. C, a meteor falling from the sky. Answer is linear motion. D, a rocket launch from the ground. Answer is linear motion. C, a fish swimming in water. Answer is random motion. F, the plucked string of a sitar. Answer is oscillatory motion. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. A, if a ball is released from the terrace of a building, it comes down in dash motion. On the other hand, it reaches the ground in dash motion if it is thrown which force away from the terrace in a direction parallel to the terrace. Answer is uniform linear motion or random motion. B, the motion of an aeroplane on the runway before takeoff is dash. Answer is linear motion. C, the kite looking for its prey flies with dash motion in the sky. Answer is circular. D, children sitting in a rotating giant wheel have dash motion while those sitting in a merry-go-round have a dash motion. Answer is uniform motion and non-uniform circular motion. Question number 3, how are we different? A, oscillatory motion and linear motion. Answer 1, oscillatory motion is a type of non-linear motion. The object is this type of motion never move in a straight line, or objects showing linear motion always move in a straight line. 2, the object showing oscillatory motion comes back to its original place again and again, and the object showing linear motion is displayed away from the original place. The example of oscillatory motion is the table fan and ceiling fan, and the example of linear motion is running vehicles, parade of soldiers. B, linear motion and random motion. Answer 1, in linear motion the object travels in a straight line and in the same direction, or in random motion the object travels in any direction and with continuously changing speed. 2, objects displaying linear motion always travel in a straight line, or objects displaying random motion never travel in one straight line. Example of linear motion is moving train and parading soldiers. Example of random motion is flying birds or swimming fish. C, random motion and oscillatory motion. Answer 1. The motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. The motion in which an object goes in one direction and comes back again to the original position is called oscillatory motion. 2. The objects showing random motion may not come back to the original position. The objects showing oscillatory motion come back to the original position. Example of random motion is flying butterflies and bird. Example of oscillatory motion is the table fan and ceiling fan. Question number 4. Explain in your own words, giving one example each. A. Linear motion. Answer. The motion of an object traveling in a straight line or in the same direction is called linear motion. There are two types of linear motion, uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. In uniform linear motion, the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time is the same, whereas in non-uniform motion, the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time keeps on changing. Example, the parading soldiers show uniform linear motion, whereas the children playing on a slide show non-uniform linear motion. B. Oscillatory motion. Answer. The motion of a body that is moving in back and forth direction is called oscillatory motion. Oscillations form oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is a type of non-linear motion. If the oscillatory motion is completed in fixed period of time, it becomes a periodic motion. Example, the swinging pendulum of a clock, the needle of a swing machine, and vibrating diaphragm of different musical instruments. C. Circular motion. Answer. The motion of an object along a circular path is called circular motion. Circular motion can be periodic motion if it is taking place in fixed time period. In day-to-day life, many objects are seen completing circular path. The hands of the clock show circular and periodic motion. The giant wheel, merry-go-round, mixer, fans, etc. show circular motion. D. Random motion. Answer. The motion that changes its speed and direction continuously is called random motion. There is no fixed direction for random motion. The butterflies, birds fly in the sky, the wandering animals, the swimming fish, etc. show random motion. E. Periodic motion. Answer. The motion in which moving object passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period is called periodic motion. The hands of the clock complete their rotations in fixed time period. A merry-go-round also completes the rounds in specific time. Therefore, this kind of motion is called periodic motion. Question number 5. Answer the following questions in your own words. A. Which types of motion are seen in birds flying in the sky? Answer. The birds flying in the sky show oscillatory motion. When they flap their wings, most of the birds show linear motion. Some, like kite, display circular motion. Crows are seen moving in random motion. Write in detail about your experience of various types of motion while riding a bicycle on a road. Answer. When we start a bicycle, we have to pedal it. This is circular motion in which pedals of the bicycle move. Then we decide the direction and usually pick up a linear motion. For doing so, we can turn the handle of the bicycle. The wheels of a bicycle turn in circular motion. If we go with the same speed in one direction, it will be uniform linear motion. If we increase and decrease the speed intermittently, it will be non-uniform linear motion. Sometimes, just for fun, we many take round turns. The motion then becomes oscillatory and circular too. Question number 6. Complete the puzzle using words for types of motion. 1. A spring is stretched and one end is released. Answer is oscillatory motion. 2. A minute hand. Answer is circular motion. 3. A seesaw. Answer is periodic motion. 4 or 5. Children in a march past. Answer is uniform motion and linear motion. 6. A stone rolling down hillside. Answer is random motion. Thank you.